don't know what's about my kind of sort of terminals.
Alright, so what's your name?
My name is Kendra.
Okay.
Jelaine.
Alright, so tell me about your crush or the person that you like. Just tell me about them.
Pretty? I guess. Personality nice. Kind of sort of ish.
Okay.
He's gorgeous.
Alright, how did you guys meet?
Tinder.
You serious? Tinder?
Yes.
People did use anything there?
Yes.
Alright, how did you guys meet?
I don't remember.
You don't remember how to meet and you have a crush on the person? Alright, so what do you like about them?
Smile.
The smile? Alright, so when you call him, you'll be like, hey, yo, your smile is beautiful and I want to see it more often. So why do you like him?
Because we have a different connection.
Like, what kind of different connection? Like, that's
A spiritual connection.
a spiritual connection?
Yeah.
Alright, call him and make us show him, say.
Man, don't answer.
Tell him, say, we have a spiritual connection, but you want it physical now. And everything there.
Good morning.
Good morning.
You okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
In a moment.
I can come?
Really?
I'm at school.
I'm not at school.
Why?
Because I'm not sure if I come to school yet.
Okay, sir.
No answer. Get
Don't know.
joke. No answer.
Why not answering?
I think he's sleeping. Oh. Hi. You're sleeping? I'm sorry. So, I have questions. I'm sorry, you're sleeping, but you have to answer these questions. Okay, how much do you love me? On a scale of 1 to 10. You don't know? Goodbye. You don't know?
So, can we chill sometime, sir?
What?
Can we chill sometime?
Okay, here it is.
Can I and you chill sometime?
Yes. But I'm at school.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
If anything you want to say, I can jump in after.
Alright. Bye.
How do you feel now?
Weird. My belly tickling me. I feel weird.
0. Okay. He says 0. I wanna go on a date. So when are we going on a date and where are you gonna take me? I'm asleep.
Jono, at least you try still. Just call him back later and confirm it.
14. She said, So how much you like me? 0.
Alright, so tell me about them.
He's nice. He's loving, caring. Yeah.
Alright, so tell me about them.
About
The person, your crush.
he's tall. He's really cute.
Tall, dark, and handsome.
Yes.
How did you guys meet?
Through WhatsApp.
What do you mean? What do you mean too? What's
He
up?
had my number and he decided to message me.
That's it?
At first I ignored the message, but then I answered by accident.
Oh, okay.
At school.
Oh, that's cute. So he's here probably.
Yeah, he's probably at school.
Alright, so why you have a crush on the person? Like, what made you like them?
He's really sweet and I don't know, his vibe is good.
That's the one. Alright, so call him. See what I'm saying.
Oh, hey, what's up? I'm just here at school. Yeah, I want to ask you. I want to ask you a question though. You want us to go out one day? When? How is Tuesday or Wednesday? Because I just feel like going out, My treat. My treat. My treat, I'm gonna take you out. Yes. Wednesday. What do you mean, sir? I can't take it out? Okay. Later, okay? Yes.
Okay, good job.
Thank
you got
you.
through. You can call him and ask him for on a date. You say, hey, Mr. Tall, Dark and Handsome, we need to go up. Turn it to me.
Hi, Mr. Tall, Dark and Handsome. Mr. Tall, Dark and Handsome. Anyways, so I was wondering if you'd want to go out on the weekend. What? You not go out on them someday, why not?
Nah, but you can come over and smoke weed and then
I don't smoke.
we won't put it
I'll come over though. Okay. Bye. It worked out.
Good job. I'm proud.
Thank you.
Can you tell me about this person that you're about to call right now?
He's nice. he disrespectful sometimes, but
That's natural. That's
kindness of his
natural.
heart, right?
Understood. Yeah.
I'm Janae Harris.
All right. So tell me about the person.
Well, he's very handsome. He has a little mustache, it's peach fuzz that I really like. He is very, very, very supportive.
That's good.
And yeah, he's cute.
We met at school through a mutual friend.
Understood. All right. Why you have a crush on him? Like, why you like the person?
Because he's nice, but he's not overly nice. So like,
Yeah, can you say I'm disrespectful?
yeah. you need somebody who will insult you 2 times. Make his head
Like you know your
deflate
place.
little bit,
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you're not really into feeling too like above the person. You just want to feel like decent enough
Make
to.
me feel grounded.
Understood. All right. How did you guys meet?
We met at class actually.
So you have a class with him now?
No, we don't have any classes together.
Oh, okay. Jano. So why never get some times where you don't have the same classes?
No, we're in different faculties.
Oh, Jano.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right. So we're going to do. You're going to call them and ask them on a date. For today's Friday. Tell them you want to go out tonight.
Okay.
Alright.
to make it your tune.
What the fuck? Hello? Hi. So like, you want to go out somewhere tonight? Yeah, go out.
Yeah, maybe, how?
Like on a date.
Hey, we do.
What do you mean with who? With me?
With you?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, sure.
Oh.
Sure. Come on.
Okay, so where you want to go?
No, you want to do.
Alright, let's go to the movies tonight.
That pays for me?
No.
What are you on?
So what that supposed to mean?
It means you are taking me out.
You must say yes.
Me? No. Okay, let's rephrase this. Let's go out together. I am not taking you out. I'm not picking you up.
I mean, you pick your up.
Okay. So I mean must pay for you then. Alright, I'll pay for you this time and the next time I go out, you pay for me.
Alright. I'm fine.
Alright, see you later.
Alright, later.
Bye.
Yo, they're funny. Alright, so call him and say ask him out on a date and see what he said. Hopefully
Villa?
work out.
Which villa?
crush?
Hello.
How are you? It's your crush. I have a crush on you. Mm-hmm. How are you doing?
I'm just chilling.
You have a class now?
No.
So you want us to go for lunch or something?
Sorry, just send me a WhatsApp message or something.
Alright. I will right now. Later.
Success.
Woo!
Hey, baby, you just cool and simple. You are the type of girl where all a whole man cling to. Independent girl where have the house and rims to. Inna the club she buy her own damn drinks to like. She no need you, she just need me. Man, I feel watch it like a some TV. Girl, you gorgeous, you can't believe me. Anything you want can come true, me and your genie.